Hey all my crafty friends, who's ready to start some Christmas crafting? I know I am. I will be trying my best to put out at least 4 videos per week until Christmas, and I think you will love what I have in mind. Make sure to subscribe so you don't miss any of my Christmas videos, and if you want to be notified when I upload a new video, just hit the bell notification. Merry Christmas! In today's video, I will be using this large Christmas ball from Dollar Tree to create a Tray Decor piece. The first thing I did was remove the silver top from the ball and place it to the side. You will need to use this later. I then used red paint and mixed it with white glue. I stirred it until it was mixed well. The first time I tried this, I forgot the glue and the paint was streaky. So be sure to add the white glue or Mod Podge when you do this. I used a piece of wax paper because we all know how I am with paint. It goes everywhere eventually. I poured the paint inside of the ball and began moving the ball around to cover it. I then placed the ball upside down in a plastic cup to let the excess paint drain. After the ball had drained and dried overnight, it was time to decorate it. I sprayed rubbing alcohol and cleaned the outside using a paper towel. This helps to remove any paint that may have been on the outside of the ball and also any oils that may have been left by my hands, so the vinyl will stick better. I set the ball in a plastic cup to help hold it since it is round and wants to roll. I applied the vinyl as straight as I could. I did have a couple of places that wrinkled, but I was able to save it by gently lifting that area and reapplying the vinyl. I removed the hanger from the silver top and then hot glued the top back onto the ball. I applied a piece of twine to both sides in case you want to hang this ornament. I had this ribbon that I thought would look great on this red ball. I cut a piece down and glued it to the top of the silver piece. This was easy. I cut another piece of the ribbon and made a simple bow using a twist tie to hold it together. I'm telling you, I can't tie a decent bow to save my life. If you know of any good tutorials, please leave me a comment below. I need to watch more bow tying videos. So I knew I wanted to put the bow on the front, but what was I going to do about the rough edges around the top of the silver piece? Thick twine works every time. I cut and glued a piece of thick twine and made it end at the back of the ribbon. Perfect. This is the finished ball. I think it is so stinking cute. What do you think? Let me know in the comments below. If you haven't already, like this video and subscribe to my channel. I will be uploading more Christmas videos in the coming weeks, and you know you don't want to miss out on any of them. If you want to be notified when I upload a new video, hit the bell notification. Merry Christmas! And as always, thanks for watching.